and she look good, and her cooking good. You niggas wish they would, you niggas wish they could. She love Megan good, provided like Megan Thee Stallion. She get on top and you know she be wildin'. Grown ass woman, no childish. Got the bag in the drip, she be styling. Pack it back, take a trip to the islands. That pussy good, but it don't come with mileage. She not awesome, but yeah, she got powers.
So I told y'all I was going to start trying to incorporate some cooking content. And so after a long day of work, I still got kids to feed. So today we getting ready to make some honey garlic chicken thighs, red beans and rice, and cornbread. And that thing gonna make you want to slap your mama. Stay tuned, y'all. So I learned that when you don't have a cake pan, you can absolutely cook cornbread in a stovetop pan, y'all. And it actually came out so good, y'all. But now let's see what my son has to say about his first experience with red beans and rice. What you give it, like out of 10, 1 to 10?
Solid 9.5. It's
Okay.
really good.
Cool, thank you. And y'all, he was not lying. That red beans and rice gonna hit every time, okay? Now, I can't tell you no exact measurements on ingredients or seasonings, but what you see is what I used, and everybody's taste buds are different anyway. So, season yours to your taste, and I promise you it'll be just as good, okay? So y'all know my kids are older. They're very independent at this point. They've already eaten. I've already cleaned the kitchen, washed dishes. They are already in the bath, getting themselves ready for school the next day. So it's finally time for me to eat my plate. I like to sit and watch a little bit of TV while I eat so I can actually wind down before I get in the shower. Now, y'all know I just had weight loss surgery, so I was definitely not able to finish that entire plate. I've already wrapped it up and put it back in the kitchen at this point, but it's definitely got my breath smelling a little garlicky, okay? So we got to get them teeth right. Quickly, I want to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor. They are a China-based company called Wjing, that is spelled WJingYijia, specializing in satin pajamas, bridesmaids robes, bodysuits, corsets, crop tops, and dresses. And as you can see by the website, they do have hundreds of options available. So they actually gifted me 2 different sets. This is their pale champagne short sleeves and short set. Super breathable, very durable material, and it's so freaking pretty. Sadly, this one does fit me a little big because it's a size 3X, so I really appreciate the elastic waist. I'm not really sure which one I want to wear to bed tonight. I do like this one, but let me try on the other one. I think this might be the one, y'all. Look at this freaking color. It's so beautiful. And I really appreciate that both of these sets have pockets. Convenience is everything, y'all know that. But I'm definitely getting sleepy at this point. It is definitely time to call it a night. So I'm gonna rock with this one. I give it a 10 out of 10. Link to purchase in the description box. But before I go, y'all already know what I need you to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn your post notifications on so you never miss an upload or community tab post. And last but not least, leave me some comments down below and let me know what other videos y'all want to see from me. I love y'all so much, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.